How to cancel Telegram premium subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now if you're on Android, you can go through Play Store, and if you're on iOS, you can just go for App Store. Now how you can do it is go to the Play Store application, and then on the search bar just search for Telegram application, tap on it, and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. You can just go back and then you can see the option of payments and subscription. Tap on that, tap on subscription, and over here you will get the option of Telegram and its subscription, and down at the bottom of the screen you will get the option of cancel subscription. Just tap on that and confirm it, and your Telegram subscription, premium subscription, will be deleted. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.